Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear healthy food lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. A refreshing salad begins with the right balance of ingredients. That's where the cucumber and carrot salad recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Cucumber and carrot salad is a refreshing no-cook recipe made with crunchy cucumber, juicy carrot, lemon juice, and simple seasonings. The crisp cucumber and naturally sweet carrot create a colorful, refreshing salad that's both nutritious and delicious for everyday meals. It's popular in Indian homes because it's quick to prepare, requires no cooking, and uses simple ingredients available in most kitchens. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator instantly updates every ingredient with the correct measurements for your serving size. The page also provides useful recipe information, including preparation time, total time, course, diet type, difficulty level, calories, and the no-cook mixing method. You'll also find helpful cooking notes, famous info highlights, and an estimated nutrition summary with calories, fiber, vitamin A, and hydration details. Personalize your salad with optional add-ons like onion, coriander, green chili, or chaat masala for extra flavor and variety. Below the calculator, you'll find the updated ingredient list based on the number of persons you selected. Right beside it, the complete preparation steps guide you through every stage, from preparing the vegetables until serving. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe copy. Once your ingredients are ready, simply follow the preparation steps. Wash the cucumber and carrot thoroughly, then peel the carrot if needed before chopping, slicing, or grating both vegetables. Transfer them to a mixing bowl, then add lemon juice, salt, black pepper, and any optional ingredients you've selected. Mix everything gently until the seasonings are evenly combined and every bite is fresh, colorful, and full of flavor. Serve immediately after mixing to enjoy the freshest taste and crunchy texture, just as recommended in the cooking notes. Rich in fiber, vitamin A, and water content, this salad supports hydration while adding color, crunch, and nutrition to everyday meals. It's also a popular choice for light diet meals thanks to its fresh ingredients, satisfying crunch, and refreshing taste. Accurate ingredient measurements and simple preparation help you enjoy fresh homemade cucumber and carrot salad with confidence every time. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.